Welcome to Money Masters, your one-stop shop for financial success. We're here to guide you on your journey to financial freedom with insightful tips, tricks, and strategies. If you're excited about gaining financial knowledge and you're keen on making your money work for you, then consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving deep into the wealth of wisdom of one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. Fasten your seatbelts as we decode Buffett's bombs. Top 10 tips to make millions. Let's get started. Ever wondered what's Warren Buffett's secret to making millions? Well, today we're going to delve into the mind of the Oracle of Omaha himself. We've curated a list of top 10 tips, each one a golden nugget derived from Buffett's illustrious investing career. We're talking about the tried and tested strategies that have propelled him to the pinnacle of financial success. So if you're dreaming of that first million, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to find out the top 10 tips to make your first million. Coming in at number 10, we have spend wisely. Now, this might seem like common sense, but you'd be surprised at how many folks miss the mark on this one. It's no secret that Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people on this planet, leads a notoriously frugal lifestyle. No lavish parties or gold-plated private jets for him. Instead, he opts for a modest home and a reliable car. Why, you ask? Well, he understands the value of money. He knows that every dollar spent on unnecessary luxury is a dollar that could have been invested, grown, and multiplied. This is not about being stingy. It's about being smart. It's about understanding the true cost of things. It's about prioritizing needs over wants and investing over spending. It's about making your money work for you instead of you working for your money. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned, or in this case, a million earned. At number 9, we got understand what you invest in. Now, what does this mean exactly? It's all about knowing your game, folks. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself, only invests in businesses he understands and believes in. He's not about taking wild shots in the dark, hoping for a big score. No siree. He's all about making informed decisions. He studies the ins and outs of a business, its market, its competition, its potential for growth, and its risks. Only then, when he's confident in his understanding, does he put his money on the line. He's not gambling, he's investing. It's like buying a horse because you know it's a fast runner, not because it's got a fancy name. So before you invest, make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. No one wants a surprise $1 million loss. Number 8 on the list is be patient. Now this might sound simple, but it's a golden rule that Warren Buffett swears by. He's not just a shark in a suit snapping up stocks and selling them off the next day. No, sir. Buffett is a long-term investor. He's the tortoise in the race, not the hare. He believes in the power of compounding, the magic that happens when your earnings start to earn on their own. You see, Buffett doesn't just buy a company's stocks. He buys into the company's future. He waits, he watches, and he lets his investments grow over time. Buffett once said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." That's the level of patience we're talking about here. So if you're all set to make your millions, remember to pack a good dose of patience in your investment toolkit. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was Buffett's fortune. Coming in at number 7 is learn continuously. Now let's dive into the mind of the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. Buffett's dedication to knowledge is unending, making him a lifelong student of the world of finance and beyond. It's no secret that he spends the majority of his day reading, absorbing every tidbit of information that could potentially influence his investment decisions. He firmly believes that the more you know, the better decisions you'll make, especially when it comes to investing your hard-earned money. He's not just reading financial texts either. He's consuming a vast range of materials, from biographies to historical accounts, broadening his understanding of the world. This continuous learning allows Buffett to stay ahead of the curve, always prepared for the unexpected twists and turns of the market. So, keep learning, folks. Who knows? The next book you read could be worth $1 million. At the halfway point, at number 6, we have diversify your portfolio. Now, when Warren Buffett talks about diversification, he's not just talking about buying a bunch of random stocks and calling it a day. No, sir. Buffett's approach to diversification is all about balance and understanding. It's about spreading investments across various sectors and asset classes, but only in what you truly understand and believe in. Think of it like a dinner buffet. You don't just pile on everything in sight. You pick and choose based on what you like and what you know won't give you a stomach ache later. That way you mitigate the risk of any one dish, or in this case, stock, spoiling your entire meal or portfolio. This strategy allows for a safety net. If one investment doesn't perform well, others might. So don't put all your eggs in one basket unless it's a basket of money. Tip number 5 is stick to your principles. Now folks, this is where our friend Warren Buffett truly stands apart from the crowd. The man has a set of investment principles that he has stuck with throughout his career. In the world of stocks and bonds, that's like holding onto your hat in a tornado. But he did it, and we all know the result. You see, Buffett understood a fundamental truth, that principles aren't just lofty ideals. They're the bedrock of sound decision-making. When the market was frothing at the mouth with dot-com bubbles and subprime mortgages, Buffett didn't flinch. He stuck to his principles and they served him well. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that you should have a clear set of principles guiding your investment decisions, and once you've got them, stick to them, no matter what the rest of the world is doing. So stick to your guns, folks. You might just shoot your way to a fortune. Coming in at number 4 is reinvest your profits. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but let me tell you, it's easier said than done. We all love the taste of success, and it's tempting to spend those hard-earned profits on a shiny new car or a lavish vacation. But that's not how the Oracle of Omaha, Mr. Warren Buffett, does things. Buffett is a big believer in the power of compounding. You see, when you reinvest your profits, you're not just making more money, you're making money on your money. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger with each roll. And the beauty of this? It works whether you're a billionaire like Buffett or just starting out with a few thousand in the bank. The key is to start as early as possible and keep those profits rolling back into your investments. So reinvest those profits, folks. Your future millionaire self will thank you. Tip number 3 is buy and hold. Now, this isn't about picking up a bottle of ketchup at the store and never letting it go. It's all about the stocks, bonds, or real estate you invest in. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself, is a firm believer in this strategy. You see, when you buy and hold, you're not just dipping your toes in the water. You're diving in head first, ready to swim with the currents of the market. It's not about making a quick buck. It's about seeing the potential in an investment and patiently waiting for it to bloom. This strategy has been a cornerstone of Buffett's success. He didn't become a billionaire overnight. He invested in companies he believed in and held on to those investments, sometimes for decades. Through the ups and downs, the booms and busts, Buffett held his ground. So hold on to those investments, folks. They might just be your ticket to the millionaire club. Coming in at number 2 is be fearful when others are greedy. You might scratch your head at this one, but let's dig a little deeper. This is a classic Warren Buffett philosophy that underpins his contrarian investment strategy. When the market is buzzing and everyone is pouring their money into the latest hot stock, that's when Buffett takes a step back. He understands that such frenzy often leads to the creation of market bubbles. And, as we all know, bubbles eventually burst, leaving a trail of financial disaster in their wake. Instead, Buffett advocates for being fearful when others are greedy. This means when everyone else is buying up stocks like there's no tomorrow, it might be a good time to hold back, to be cautious. This strategy has helped him avoid the pitfalls of market bubbles time and time again, so when everyone else is buying, it might be time to hold on to your wallet. And the top tip, coming in at number 1, is invest in yourself. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, places a high value on personal development and self-improvement. He believes that the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. Why? Because the more you learn, the more you earn. It's not just about the money, though. It's about the quality of life. Investing in your skills, knowledge, and experiences enriches your life in ways that money can't buy. It opens doors to opportunities, breeds confidence, and helps you make smarter decisions. Buffett himself is a lifelong learner. He reads extensively, constantly seeks new knowledge, and is never satisfied with the status quo. He understands that the world changes, and to stay ahead, you need to change with it. So invest in yourself, folks. After all, you're the most valuable asset you've got. And that's a wrap on Buffett's Bombs, top 10 tips to make millions. We hope you've found these tips insightful and are ready to put them into action. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Your comments are always welcome, so feel free to drop us a line below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, The key to wealth is in your hands.